the dB function. This function calculates depreciation based upon a fixed percentage. The first year is depreciated by the fixed percentage. The second year uses the same percentage but uses the original value of the item minus the first year depreciation. The subsequent years use the same percentage using the original value of the item minus the depreciation of the previous years. The percentage used in depreciation is not set by the user. The function calculates the necessary percentage, which varies based upon the values the user has imputed. An additional feature of this function is the ability to take into account when the item was originally purchased. If the item was purchased halfway through the financial year, the first year depreciation will be based on the remaining part of the year. So the syntax is dB bracket purchase price, salvage value, life, period to calculate, first year month. The first year month is the month in which the item was purchased during the first financial year. This is an optional value. If it is not used, the function will assume 12 as the value. Now let's look at the table above. The purchase price is 5,000 naira, the life is 5 years. The salvage value is 200. Now this salvage value means after 5 years, this purchase price cannot depreciate lower than this. So let's do the depreciation year by year. In the first year, dB equals E3, that's the purchase price, E5, the salvage value, E4, the life in years, then D8, that is the year 1 we are considering. So after year 1, if I click enter, I will have this value. Year 2, I will have this value. All I need to change is change the last argument to 2. And for the third year, this and this. If I sum up all the depreciation, I will have it as 4,800, which is considering the salvage value. You can see 200 difference. Alright, let's take some example. Example 1 shows the percentage used in the depreciation. Year 1 depreciation is based upon the original purchase price alone. Year 2 depreciation is based upon the original purchase price minus year 1 depreciation. Year 3 depreciation is based upon the original purchase price minus year 1 and 2 depreciation, and it continues like that. So if I use the dB formula here, considering E47 as my purchase price, E48 as the salvage value, E49 as the life, then the year, I will have this value for year 1, this for year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5. Now this percentage is gotten by dividing the depreciation by the purchase price, which gives us this. But the year 2 depreciation is actually the difference between the purchase value and the depreciation for year 1. So year 2 is the purchase value minus the year 1 and year 2 depreciation will give us year 3. Year 3 will be the sum of all these, take away from this to get that, using a constant percentage. Summarily, the Excel dB function returns the depreciation of an asset for a specified period using the fixed declining balance method. The calculation is based on initial asset costs, salvage value, the number of periods over which the asset is depreciated, and optionally, the number of months in the year. So we have other examples here, example 2 and 3. And the You can play with these values, download this workbook, and learn more about this db function. It's a very good accounting function which accountants are very familiar with. Thank you for your time in this lesson. See you again in the next one.